destined for me. This shit was destined for me. I swear that they can see greatness in me. Yeah, they can see greatness in me. This shit gotta make me, ain't no breaking me. I hope this shit take me far as I can see. I swear this shit here was destined for me. Yeah.
Alright, what's good YouTube? My name is Jonathan Balderas. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Chino the Welder, not sir, not. Come along with me to pursue my dream, perfect my craft as a welder. And not talk, let's get to welding or something. Alright, today I'm going to teach you how to set up a stick machine. Have the power source on, unravel both leads, the stinger, and the ground clamp. Put that right there. Have the ground clamp grounded to the metal that you're gonna weld on. Right there. Alright. Have your wire brush, the chipping hammer, extra rods so you can weld with, a grinder with the guard, a clamp, and then the metal that you're gonna weld on. It's already, as you can tell, I kind of grinded it off so it's gonna be a good weld. Alright. Today we're gonna weld on the Ideal R250. We're gonna have it on DZ positive because we're gonna weld on 7018 rods. We're gonna have it between like 90, 100 amps. That's good enough. All right, let's get to welding, no son. I was just practicing earlier. Right now, my 7018. Just go drag motion. All right, I'm finna run the bead right now on camera. All right, let's go. Let's get it. Let's weld on, son. I'm gonna have to restart it, so basically I'm gonna have to strike it like a match real quick, and then go strike the bar, just have a bar arc me, push it back in, and then go run into the crater right now, and continue. Hey. I filled it in, as you can tell, but it wasn't a good restart. I'm finna run another bead real quick. Alright, let's load it, son. Chip this up with chicken. It's pretty good. Alright. Alright, that's the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Keep M's on your mind. And remember, female love welders.